In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best brother sewing machine available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Look no farther than the Brother SE600 if you're looking for a durable sewing machine that can also be used for embroidery. It has a stitch rate of 710 per minute, which is ideal for any sewing project. There are 103 different stitches to select from, so whatever project or accessory you're working on, there's a stitch for you. There are also 7 various foot accessories available to assist you in achieving your ultimate aim. The automatic needle threader makes any sewing project go faster, and the Brother SE600 also has a convertible free arm. With its LCD screen and built-in USB port, the Brother SE600 features cutting-edge technology. This means you can obtain or create your own patterns, which you can then share. Using a sewing machine, create PES documents. Gone are the days when you had to improvise anything from memory or a simple paper pattern. While the Brother SE600 is suitable for any avid sewer, it is especially designed for embroiderers. With its distinctive accessories and sophisticated stitches, this sewing machine will assist you in producing whatever you create. We'll discuss about the finest sewing machine for intermediates in this part. These 3 sewing machines are all excellent, although they differ slightly. We chose them based on the various needs of different people. The Brother XR9550PRW sewing machine is a computerized machine that is ideal for intermediate sewers. It's suitable for both personal use and those who run a modest home-based business. The sewing machine is an excellent option for all of your stitching requirements. It performs 2 functions flawlessly: fashion sewing and quilting. Take a look at the possibilities below if you're looking for a sewing and embroidery machine. It's a limited edition Project Runway M sewing machine with 110 built-in stitches for embellishing your creative project with diverse stitch patterns. It comes with 8 different varieties of one-step automated buttonholes. The machine comes with a sturdy case and a larger extension table that allows you to effortlessly handle a huge piece of fabric. While it may not have the greatest features, I believe it is one of the best brother starting sewing machines. It's jam-packed with beginner-friendly features, yet it's not so pricey that you'll be terrified to touch your sewing machine. The Brother XM2701 sewing machine, like the others featured here, has easy bobbin winding on the top of the machine, as well as a quick-set, top drop-in bobbin. The term quick-set refers to the fact that the bobbin thread does not have to be pulled up by the user. For newbies, this means one less step in the setup procedure. It also comes with a small free arm and is quite simple to operate. It's very simple to thread this brother sewing machine. The user manual, quick start guide, and even the machine's body all contain instructions. The Brother XM2701 sewing machine will help you achieve your sewing objectives, whether you plan on quilting, dressmaking, sewing Pinterest-worthy DIY items, or just basic mending. The Brother CS6000i sewing machine is ideal for those who want to keep things simple. Its LCD display panel makes choosing a stitch type simple. You won't have to worry about threading a needle through a tiny hole because there's an automatic needle threader. There are also simple threading instructions included, so you can get started fast even if this is your first time using this sewing machine. There are 60 distinct stitches to pick from, as well as 7 different buttonhole types. There are 9 foot accessories included with the machine, including zigzag, overcasting, and blind foot. With the Brother CS6000i, you can make anything from trendy garments to baby quilts with ease. A seam ripper, 3 bobbins, 3 spool caps, a cleaning brush, a needle set, and much more come standard with your Brother CS6000i. This computer wants you to succeed, so it's given you all the tools you'll need. The Brother SE400 combination computerized sewing and 4x4 embroidery machine features exceptional craftsmanship, ingenuity, and innovation to provide both novice and experienced sewers with a complete sewing package. Patching, article of clothing development, weaving, knitting, legacy stitching, and art sewing are all possible with it. the sewing machine is identical to the Brother SE 350, with the exception of a USB connector that allows you to download outlines and updates from your computer. If you're looking for a machine that not only does a variety of different stitches, but also allows you to weave your hobbies together, look no further. The Brother SE 400 combination computerized sewing and embroidery machine has all of the features that a sewing department needs. Whether you're sewing, stitching, or weaving, the Brother SE 400 can do it. The number of features available in this incredible sewing machine will fulfill the dreams of everyone who enjoys sewing for pleasure or profit. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.